What is up, you guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and today I actually have a Dewhel tow hook license plate thingy, and I just wanted to do a quick video on this. So basically I got this off Amazon. It's basically a tow hook for your license plate. Here in California you have to have a front license plate. So first of all, I already opened it, but it comes with this that goes onto the bumper from where your tow hook would go, and it also comes with this, and comes with all the hardware as well. And most importantly, it also comes with this little thing that holds your license plate. Now this was only $20, and I mean, it feels pretty sturdy. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna actually put this on. So we're gonna get this, and look guys, it's the car. What do you guys think? I still need to wet sand it, but once it gets wet sanded, it will look a lot better because there's still a lot of orange peel. But anyways, this thing, the fat part, will go in here. We're gonna get that in there. Let's see here. So I'm gonna get this little thing in. See, I don't have the grill installed in yet. Maybe if I go in the back of here, it might be easier. Nope, it's not. But anyways, we're gonna put the second part in. We're gonna do this here as such. Should probably get something to tie this down, but just for this video, there is a cover right here. All you have to do is just basically pop it off at an angle and it'll come up. My bumper, since I just painted it, it didn't come with one, so I'm not really tripping. So now we're gonna get the actual plate, and for this one it actually comes with the Allen key. Alright guys, so you're gonna need this screw. It's one of the biggest ones, and the Allen key. Alright, so we basically, depending on how you want, you can either have it like this, you could have it in the middle, you could have it like this, you could have it like that, you could have it like that. I don't know, whichever way you want it, you could basically have it. And kind of like it like this. So I'm gonna put it here. And we're going to use this to tighten this thing up. Alright, that should not move. It moves a little bit, but I mean, maybe like a more expensive one might have worked better, but I wasn't trying to spend like 80 bucks for something that shouldn't cost that much money. So we're just gonna leave it like that. And then it comes with other stuff too. It comes with the other bolts and some washers. I probably should have used this on the other one. Oh well. But basically these ones, they go and hold in the license plate. So they have 4 corners right here. So the license plate would bolt up as such like this. So you just hold it on one side and then basically like that, and then it will hold in like that. And I mean, once you get all the right angles and everything, I mean, this thing would be pretty nice. So just wanted to make a quick video on this. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys are wondering how a license plate frame works, this is how it is. And yeah guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Till later guys.